Hello, hello. Hello, hello. What's up, bro? I hope you can hear me and the music is not that loud. Yeah, why is it taking Northwest Airfield PvE? Shit, created the defaults. Okay, whatever, we're going to try. Yeah, it's not creating it. Nice, nice. It's good to hear. I was unsure about that. So yeah. Going to try some example configs and yeah, testing. Oh, I need to add myself as admin. Let me get the backup here. Okay. Totally forgot that I need to add myself as admin. Yeah. We should be able to reload. Yep. Okay. So what we're gonna start with, I believe the best is now testing the event system. Actually, I don't have airdrops loaded yet, but we can try it with a beer. Or beer, however you pronounce it. Yeah, so entity class name is actress. We want to track the movements. Keep the zone at 50. We name it beer zone. Display name is Gear Zone. The type is, let's do it actually a PvP zone. And let's do the cycle. Yeah, we don't need any center. We have the movement updates. I wanna force first person test. There we go. That's the, yeah, it is. Let me change the map. Let me close it. Map drawings. Okay. Label settings. Enable it. Then we need color converter. Let's make it a yellow zone. Or yellow label. It's a mistake here. And map tags should be beers. No, beer zone. Okay. So now we're going to test the map tag system. We're testing the tracking of the actual entity we provided for the event hosting class name, which is this one. Let's reload. There it is. So now we can highlight it when we use the zone legend and go with the mouse over it. Yellow is a bad color for that. See, I don't know if you see the flashing of the zone. And then we can hide the strike lines, we can hide the labels, we can hide all, we can show all. But actually what I want to test now is now going to the zone. Okay, force first person works. There's the animal, so let's try it to hit. Let's see. Okay, the zone is moving around. That's nice. Let's actually log in. Jesus. So even the movement is not dropping. Yeah, that's pretty dope, right? So let's kill it. Actually, let's disable force first person here, because I suck at aiming. Let's spawn. Yeah. Back. So let's hunt. Okay, we entered the zone. It's working fine. Let's actually exit the zone again. Seems to work good. It's pretty precise. Okay, something is bugged now. The heck? Is that a new vanilla bug or what? Jeez. It's crazy. So after this we're gonna set up a safe zone, I believe. Oh shit, no god mode. Yay. It was dump. I hope you can see everything pretty good. Is that... Since when is it like that? What the fuck? Okay, the zone is gone. I actually need to test something here. So it's vanilla. This is the setting. Okay, that's working pretty dope. Then we can disable this. Alright, we actually keep it like it is. We also could try is blacklist the AKM in this zone. Try if it works. Not tested that yet. Somehow seems not. I maybe broke this. Let's see. This one. Where's the mother fucking beer going? Yeah. Oh no, wait. Do I have... Yeah. Okay. Explains a lot. Okay. Yeah, it was because I was admin. Need to add a rule here, so I can't shoot anymore. Let's do a to-do list. And restrictions. Okay, let's get back admin rights. Now we're going to create tracking here. Tracking. So good. Now what we're going to do now is we create a safe zone. Of course I don't have any the admin interface yet. Safe zone. Now embed green safe zone. So the name, green, save zone, that display. Safe zone, like a radius 150. It's not an event. Okay, this off. Kill infected, kill animal, and disable fall damage. Okay. Then we want to block actions in this zone, right? So we go to the action manager. Actually, why is the action manager JSON not generated? Holy shit, this needs to be fixed. So, action. See, that's why you need to test every fucking shit. Get that out of the... Okay. This. Let's go. So, action manager. For all the entries here. Okay. Reset keys. Save zone, action blocking, cancel. Icon. Okay, that's correct. So we need to use the preset key here. Go into the zone. And the zone should have this preset action manager settings. Keep that. Map drawing should be different here. We want it green. And we name it Safe Zone. F tags. Strike line. Yeah, we keep the strike line for now. We don't need any offsets. Label color, we go with green again. We want to enable the expansion marker, name it Safe Zone. Cheers. Yeah, let's reload. Oh no, we need the coordinates. Should copy to center. Okay, we are exiting PvP. The zone is there, the marker is there. Beauty. Actually, it has expansion delivers this one. So this is the 3D marker generated by my mod when you use expansion. Let's go. So what do you actually do? Are we allowed 2D? Yeah. Yeah, that's the stupid bug. So. Yeah. So showing this one. So this is working, but we don't use expansion markers yet. So we disable this setting. Then we need to actually we can't raise the weapon. Fix that too. Switch. So. All right, let's go to the action. Action logs, player actions. Turn flashlight. Actually, oh, let's go to the old version mods. Of course, I don't have that all in my head. So this is disabled actions. These actions are all disabled hard-coded in version 2. And in version 3, there is no hard-coded action blocking. So we have to do all this by using the action manager and block each action in a preset. You can have multiple presets. But for now we use only the safe zone. What you're going to do is actually I can show you what we can do here actually. So when we close and open the store, this action gets logged when we have the enable action logging active, as you can see down here. So for example, when we are in safe zones, we want to disallow action open doors, and then we want to use it either as a wildcard, so it is used and blocks on every building. So it's blocked, I can't open this now. Or you can actually go into your MP missions, then Gennaros, I believe it was the Proto, not the Pros. And then what is the tower name of this? Can't remember. Yeah, with community online tools you can't delete that. So I can't get the name of it. Is it actually tower? Land tower CI. Well, that's 66 entries. What is my position here? 2. 2. What was this fucking building name? tower. That's not the correct one. Let's look for... Is it actually tower? I'm stupid. The target is listed here. I'm so dumb. Yeah, it's 425. Okay. Okay, so we can then see in the action manager what the target was. Forgot about that. And then we can just do it like this. So when we reload, okay, well then we can test the fall damage. It's working. Okay, so we can't open this, but we should be able to open these doors. So you can block specific doors in this zone when you have a target in here. So when we use it like that, so you can't go into the tower. But that's actually something we don't want to block in the example, right? What we're going to do, I'm going to start Hyper-V now. And begin with my test account. And we connect to the server. But this way we can test the action restraint target. And we want to block it in January here. Yep. Then we use handcuffs. What building you mean? Which building? The tower or the ADC or whatever it was? So of this one. Is that? Is the door? Oh, this one? Can open it, and I can tell you why. You must make sure that the target is always the correct one. Processing item. Oh wait, wait. We need to change the target. So the base is the same here. So reload, close. We can't open it. That's not actually a door, right? Yeah, so you can't open this door. And you can't open this one. Because they do share the same target. That's the TC2 base. Yeah, let's go back to the restraining. Action restrain target. So remember, this is just for this one Green Mountain zone, right? And if you want to use this preset in any other zone, you just copy the preset key into the zone. So you don't have to put each action or do each action again for every fucking zone. That means you have a preset, you do it once and you use the preset. Okay, so action restrain target. And then we can do it like this. It must be correct now. That's the main action we want to block for now. We take the handcuffs. Okay, it's blocked. It seems like it's blocked. Let me actually get out. Why is this bug? I don't know where this bug comes from. I can't move anymore. I was just thinking, because it is possible to block only the door you want from the same building. They are sharing the same. Let me check. I can't see the name of the door. I'm not sure if they are actually different namings for the door. I believe with VPP you can get the name right, but with COT, for example, you can't. I mean, I can load and test it. Let's go back to safe zone. Is it not potting? Something. Let me actually load VPP then. Stop the server. Server. If I remember correct, VPP has a key to get the class names and the positions. Clear the logs. Shit, can I remember this? I don't know. Wow. I hate VPP, man. Yeah. Let me actually change this really quick. Yeah, but is it just for the mod or is it also for the vanilla doors? I know there was a mod where you could get the doors, but actually the action manager target is using the target. I'm not that sure yet, but we can see that now when I start VPP, because VPP is basically doing the same, if I remember correct. Okay. Okay. Let me actually search that mod. CBD loot rooms. It's pretty old mod, right? But dang. That's pretty interesting. Locked. Oh, locked door. That's dope. Gonna subscribe that, I believe. And then we can take a look. ES key rooms. Okay, let me check. I will check this mods out for sure, because that could be a big help. The issue is that I'm not working that much with... Jesus, it's sharing the keys. Okay. Not that familiar with the action related things, but yeah. Okay, it's not doing that with VPP. Let's see. Should we try? We try the mod. Let me actually... CBD and can remove VPP because it's useless. Start the server. Let me check if these mods... Okay. Shop. CBD loot rooms. Are they open source? Seems so. Action constructor, action check door. Do they create profiles? Profiles. So this settings. Holy crap, what is this? Logging. So how log settings? Oh, it's like, oh, okay. So both mods will show the door index. Did I understood that correct? It's the CVDs there. Conflicts. Indices. Okay. It's pretty interesting. Didn't know that you can do that. So how the heck do you get then now the... Oh, Jesus. Indices, no. That's... How does it lock that? Electric screwdriver to select the door on the mod will create... Oh, okay. Trick. Are you sure it's named electric screwdriver? Actually go. But I need to add myself as admin, right? Yeah, I guess that has a prefix. Blue key. Is that one? No, that's door locker. Jesus, that's so much. Must be this one, right? Okay. Okay. But I need to add myself as admin first, I guess, right? In order to get the informations. He said so, I guess. File explorer. Yeah, I do. It does say door configuration setup, but when I do it, it doesn't work. Door configs. I believe you need to be admin here, right? That's my guess. Actually. Because the door configs green mountain red keycard is default generated. Yeah, all good, all good. I guess so. I wonder how he gets that. Need to check the... We check how he does that. Maybe I get inspired. Okay, he's... Okay. Let's see. Yeah, he's protecting his scripts. So it's not really open. Just look at how he does it. What is going on here? Fuck. Oh, it's... Yeah, okay, it's not set up right. Let's see. I mean, I will find a way anyways. Even if I can't look at the code. See and learn from it, but I will find a way. It's not working like it. What the heck? Jesus, is that small? Okay. It's not working for me. I don't get it. Debug. Fuck, I did hit save. Okay. Pink doors. It can't do anything. It doesn't get the bombs. Jesus, what menu is that? You're 100% sure it's the unlock. Oh, it doesn't log anything. So from my end, it's not working. Maybe it's just the store. Let me see. Yeah, it's not. Doesn't work for me. I don't know why. Actually, maybe I did not set it up correct. Maybe you have to do something else. Not sure. I know there's another mod that is doing it. Let me actually... he's offline. Yes. I will check this later. Add it on my to-do list. Sheesh, where did I save my to-do? Or you can send me your configs in Discord and I can test that then. So let's go ahead with the action stuff. Handcuff. Used. Let's save and see. Sonus. Why can I not use it? Oh shit. Okay, let's... This is kind of weird. This action at all? Oh my god, it's because there's expansion safe zone. Fuck my life. Okay, there we go. Okay, now it's working. The expansion safe zone active. Zone is not active. It's working, so we can't. So basically, action manager, action block it. You can't train. This you can't, okay. Yeah, so this is working. Let's go for the next action. Give blood target. You can't give blood 2 players here. Reroute. We've got 2 layers here, yeah. So this is pretty much working, alright? Let's go ahead. Force feed. Force feed. Action force string. Oop. Okay, so action force feed, action block. You can't force feed players here. You can't force string players here. Okay. Let's try now the feeding. Can't force feed players here. Let's try rank. Ipsy. Okay. So this is working. Action arm explosive. What's so for this can keep this. Target, pick and stash. Samantha. Fold. Yeah, action line 3. And save. Shave. Lock doors. Bolt. Target. Place. Explosive. So, detonator. Okay. So all these actions are blocked then. So basically these are all the actions you should block in a safe zone, right? So for example, for the deploying, means we can't deploy a landmine right now. We shouldn't be able to. Landmine. But when we sure, so it wouldn't like that. Let's test the whitelist. Whitelisting is working. There's more you need to block, but this is a basic foundation like in version 2. I'm actually not sure. Actually, let's test this. Okay, so do I have breaching charge? Of course I don't. Breaching charge. Breaching charge remastered. Wow. So we subscribe this one. Yeah. Wanna test that if it's working with the custom breaching charge action. And then we may move on and go to testing airdrops and all King of the Hill and all that stuff. Breach. Breach. Breaching charge. Let's actually these. Oh, Daisy, so go. Start Daisy. Okay, Green Mountain safe zone. So we have disabled fall damage. Action keycard or config. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Pi. That helps a lot. Yeah, this is keycard location. Door pause. Building class. Oh, okay. That's dope. Thank you. I will try to include this. Yeah, on finished progress server, of course. Okay. This is... Oh. Okay. Yep. Progress servers used a lot. That's dope. I will check that. I will try to implement that per door. That's a cool idea. I mean, the action blocking stuff is already in place, so this should be easy to implement. Yeah. Breach. HDSR breaching charge. Oh. That was the mine. Okay. Actually do this on the... No, you can't. Okay, we need to go out. I'm not sure if I need to set up this mod also, which would be annoying now. But I don't believe it's working on the fence. Fence. Gate. Oh, Jesus. See, that's when you're not prepared. Breaching charge. Is it not working like I wanted to? I hate this. I hate this so much. Remember it was working. I don't know what. I don't want to load expansion bundle if I'm honest. To get the admin hammer. Whatever, let's do it. Maybe it's better we load the bundle also, because then we can test the airdrop stuff and all the other stuff here. I don't even know if you had to set up the breaching charge. Breaching charge. Yeah. Breaching charge, heavy. Stop. It will take ages. And we need to restart this client. All right, let's try. So, hands, kit, admin hammer. Should do my own script for the admin hammer. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Next time I have to prepare all this, seriously. Profiles. Expansion, what was it there? Settings. I can't even remember how this worked, man. The message again. I'm not in a safe zone, mate. This is the base building, the building restrictions from expansion. The issue is that I don't play the game that much. I sure save some settings. Nah, mate, that's not save some settings. It's something with A, B, base building settings. Jesus. Yeah, it does say it's restricted area. I need to see. This must be one. And these are... Yeah, what did I believe? Shit here. Okay. Then... Disable the zones or building zones. Yeah, let's restart. Sorry for this, guys. I will find. Yeah, sure, check it out. But I guess I found it. You had to delete the zones here because it's used as no build zones. And I'm at Green Mountain, and the Green Mountain had a radius of 1k, so it blocked the deploying of it. There's a lot of stuff to consider. And that's how I waste my time over the day and my vacation. Isn't that nice? Just kidding. Okay, there we are. Should be able to. Yep. Okay, I fixed it. Perfect. So let's build. So this is how it works. Okay. Let's... Oh, we are breaching charge, safe zone, action manager, action deploy, breaching charge. Okay, so this is how we do that now. And let's get this small backpack. Let's put that. It's the admin hammer. And this one. Let's go back to the safe zone. Let's enable. So since we are now in a safe zone, we shouldn't be able to place it. Okay. So let's bypass that for now as admin. Oh shit. What the fuck, man? I forgot that I loaded also AI. Okay, that was funny. That was kinda... And yes, there is no damage system included yet, because the sound system must work first. Look at this. Why I can't... Okay, and let's go again. Yeah, let's disable the admin bypass. And I'll try to place the breaching charge. Okay, it's not working. I must find a way. Action, hate you. Oh, is it wrong? Yeah. Yeah, let's try again. Yeah, it blocks even breaching charge now. Without the need of having it hard-coded. Dope. What is if we use a different... It's a different action then? HGSN heavy. Don't tell me it's a different action. No, it's not. Perfectly fine, man. This is good. It's pretty good now. Dope. Yeah, because I had in version 2, I had to hard code this. So this is no longer needed. Actually, we should also check the rearmed base building stuff here. But what is if we actually place it? We do have an arming action, right? Okay, we it's be a different action then. So please have the action again. Bypass. Let's get the action. So we want action arm breaching charge to be blocked also. Oh. It still does arm the breaching charge. Actually give code out. Yes, this is the last test and we move to the zone stuff actually. So going here. And this direction is into the zone, right? So we go out. We are out. Creting charge heavy. Let's do that. Yeah, you can't avoid this. Yeah. So tough. Du, 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 du. It's good. Nope. Is that not triggering? Oh, sheesh. Because I have got mod on. So safe zones. Just. Yeah. Well, that's normal. Let's actually try now the... What's this? The airdrop. So... Object spawn. Expansion airdrop. Yeah. Airdrop. Container. Yeah. Let's copy this over into MISC. Expansion. Let's call it just airdrops. Oops. Name should be airdrop underscore. Then we have a PvP zone. Priority 100. We don't need the center here. Because it's an event, we turn on event, then we put an entity class name as expansion airdrop container. Either this or the base. I can't use inheritance, use update on movement. We don't want to kill zombies. Oh, actually we didn't test the zombie stuff right in a safe zone. Yeah. So let's test this first. Oh, we are still in a safe zone, so let's spawn. AI. Right animal. And then let's actually code mode. So this one down. Spawn the zombie there. Let's try it. So this is working. Okay. Back to airdrops. Airdrop should be tracked, right? Update our movement when we use that on a server side. Don't use it on infected or animals because it can be performance heavy. But it shouldn't that much, but you know, use it wisely. We don't want any preset keys here. We want the notifications. We want the map drawings. Let's do it drop purple. Outline must be this. Strike line also. We name it airdrops in the map tag. I didn't show you the map tags yet. And let's map label -110. Did I do that on the We don't want to allow vehicles inside here. We want to put them out. Let's say we wanna put them like here. Okay. No, we got vehicles. Merge. So, blah, blah. Stadiums we don't need. Okay. Airdrops should be set up good by now. Let's port a bit to the field. Supply. Signal. Pin. Yeah. Let's choose SP. seems like it's actually not creating. Expansion airdrop container. Let's copy this list actually. No, not the types. Text. Paste it in here. This is the writing. Entering zone, so it is working. Does it track the movement? Seems like, right? Yeah, it tracks. It moves around, but very, very small. And it moves to the left. Nope. Also, the offset meters does work, so it's not in the center zone. Yeah. Actually, this shouldn't be, and this should be PvP. Oh, PvP zone and not PvE. Okay, now it's PvP. It's working. An update on movement, we turn that off as default. Now, since we are in the zone, let's try to get into the vehicle and drive around. And that doesn't work. Why did I bypass active? Yep. It's still not working, it seems. Fucking AI. Jesus. Didn't I? Yeah, let's see the permissions here. That's weird. Normally it should work. Did I miss something? That's interesting. Why is this not working? Jesus. Sit down. Yeah, that's why. Let's roll. Right. What is it? It's a bit awful. What the fuck? Alright, doesn't it take the vehicle when we drive in? Does, but it doesn't port out anymore. Okay. Fix vehicle entry in zone. Shoot a project. Is it? It's working. It's just a mismatch. Why did we get ported then? Wait, what the fuck is this? Yeah, this needs fix, but the basics is working. Does detect the entry too early. Why? The cost of the offset? 0, 0, 0. Okay, I need to fix this later, but it will port us out, which is already good. Port us out again. Jeez. Okay. Good. Okay, that's it for today. I will end the stream now, maybe working on some fixes, and do another stream tomorrow. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in, and see you next time. Bye bye, sleep well.